Okay, so here we go. Key stage 4, homeostasis. Sounds very static to me. These are a lot of the keywords that you need to know. A hormone produced by the adrenal gland. Okay, these are sat on top of the kidneys in response to fear, which increases the heart rate to make blood go past around your body, to the muscles. And it's sometimes called the fight or flight hormone, adrenaline. A hormone that increases the reabsorption of water in the kidney. Okay, now you only need to know on the triple science all about the kidney, right? But this ADH, antidiuretic hormone. Areas of the body like the brain, the spinal cord, the pancreas receive information from receptors, and they are then coordination receptors. Okay, but obviously the brain is the main coordination. A method of treating kidney failure. So if your kidneys don't work, what you need to do is you need to have a machine that will take all the rubbish out of your blood, like urea. Okay, where the blood is artificially filtered to remove waste and toxins. Dialysis, kidney dialysis. Muscles are a gland that bring about a response which restore optimum levels. Okay, think about your reflex arc. Okay, right at the end of a reflex arc is a muscle or a gland, and they are an effector. A type of plant hormone which controls cell division and ripening fruit. Ethene. Bananas give off ethene, which is why you shouldn't put bananas with other fruit, because it makes them ripen. A female reproductive hormone that causes the maturation of an egg. FSH, follicle stimulation hormone. Okay, so inside the ovary is a follicle. It needs FSH to mature it into an egg. A hormone produced by the pancreas that causes glycogen to be converted into glucose. Okay, so you've got glycogen, convert it into glucose, and the hormone is glucagon. Okay, it's kind of like the opposite of insulin. The regulation of internal conditions of a cell or organism to maintain optimal conditions. So it's all about optimal conditions. It's all about the whole unit itself, homeostasis. Fertilizing a woman's egg using sperm outside of the body. IVF, in-glass fertilization. A female reproductive hormone that stimulates the release of an egg. Okay, LH, luteinizing hormone produced in the pituitary gland. And what it does, it makes the ovary actually release it, ovulation. A regulatory mechanism that reverses a change, right? So if you get too hot, your body cools you down. Negative feedback. The main female reproductive hormone which causes the uterus lining to grow and repair. Estrogen. Organs or cells that detect a stimuli, receptor, like your eyes, your ears, your finger, your skin. A rapid and automatic response to a stimulus, reflex action, right? Remember, you've got your different neurons, like your relay neuron, your motor neuron, your sensory neuron. The organ which a hormone acts on to produce an effect is the target organ. The main male reproductive hormone produced by the testes stimulates sperm production, testosterone. The organ made of billions of interconnected neurons, okay, sounds like a lot of neurons here, which control complex behavior and has different regions that carry out different functions. The brain and the spinal cord, so you've got the brain inside the head and you've got the spinal cord that comes down. Central nervous system. The area of the hypothalamus in the brain, which contains blood temperature receptors, right, and regulates body temperature, is the thermoregulatory center. A hormone produced in the thyroid gland, so there's your head, there's your neck, right, so you've got a very long neck. Let's put some shoulders in there. Your thyroid glands are approximately here, and they increase the metabolic rate, thyroxine. A disorder in which the pancreas fails to produce sufficient insulin, which is characterized by uncontrolled high blood levels. Okay, that is the one you were born with, type 1 diabetes. A disorder where the body cells no longer respond to insulin. That is then one that you've kind of your own circumstances, okay, your life choices have created, type 2 diabetes. The constriction of blood vessels, so if you've got a blood vessel that's that big, what you can do is you can constrict them to make them smaller, vasoconstriction. The dilation of a blood vessel, so where you've got a blood vessel like that, it can be made bigger. is vasodilation. It's a bit like when you get cold, you get vasoconstriction to take the blood away from your face, so you go pale. When you get hot, you get vasodilation, where the blood vessels increase in size to get blood to your face, and then you go pink. Right, lots and lots of words in there. Right, I love all these scientific technical words. Pause the video, write down your answers into your exercise book, please. Okay, right, do it again. Right, turn your page and write all those words out again, please. Okay, well done. Lots and lots and lots of big long key words that are in that then. Right, keep practicing, come back to it again.